2.6 Literal equations. Literal equations are equations that have multiple variables. Solving a literal equation is very similar to solving equations. In this two-step equation, we have multiplication and subtraction. We have to work backwards through PEMDAS, which means removing the subtraction first. To remove the subtraction, we're going to add 5 to both sides. -5 plus 5 is 0, so it cancels. Because we did it on the left, we must do it on the right side of the equal sign. On the left, we now have 2x equals 18. To isolate the x, divide by 2. Divide by 2 on the right, x equals 9. In this literal equation, we again have multiplication and subtraction. By PEMDAS, I must eliminate the subtraction first. I am subtracting b, so I will add b to both sides. On the left, I now have ax equals c plus b is c plus b. A is multiplying the x, so divide by a. Again, on the right, x is equal to c plus b over a. Example 3. We're solving for t, which means we need to eliminate r. R is multiplying t. Divide by r, d over r equals t. Number 4 is very similar. Again, we need to solve for t. Both p and r are multiplying t, so I can eliminate them at the same time. Divide by pr, and when I divide by pr, the p's cancel and the r's cancel. So now divide by pr on the left. I over pr equals t. Please pause the video and attempt number 7 and number 8. For number 7, you're solving for c, which means eliminating s. S is being subtracted, so add s to both sides. M plus s equals c. Number 8, we need to isolate m. M is being divided by v, multiplied by v. Both sides. D times v equals m. Now let's look at some multi-step literal equations. Number 9. Let's first eliminate the fraction by multiplying by 2. Divide by b. 2a over b equals h. Example 10. First, we're going to remove 2 by multiplying 2 on both sides. 2k equals mv squared. Divide by m. So 2k over m is equal to v squared. The opposite of squaring is to take the square root. Do this to both sides. The square root of 2k over m equals v. Number 13. Solving for w. So we have multiplication and addition. This is a positive 2l, so I will subtract 2l from both sides. P minus 2l is equal to 2w. Divide by 2, divide by 2. P minus 2l over 2 equals w. Pause the video and attempt number 14. Number 17. First, I want to eliminate my fraction. I can do this by multiplying by the denominator. So I'll multiply by 9, both sides. 9c equals 5 times f minus 32 in parentheses. Divide by 5 both sides. 9c over 5 equals f minus 32. Because the 5 is no longer multiplying the parentheses, I can remove them. Finally, add 32 to both sides. 9c over 5 plus 32 equals f. Pause the video and attempt number 18. This concludes the notes for 2.6 literal equations.